Greetings, friend adventurers. Step into the magical realm of Iran, where history dances with poetry and culture weaves a tapestry of wonder. As we embark on our virtual journey through the enchanting streets and hidden corners of this ancient country, let your senses awaken to the sights, sounds, and scents that define Iran's unique charm. From the grandeur of its architectural marvels to the serenity of its lush gardens, every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Join us as we wander through time and space, exploring the soul of Iran and unraveling its mysteries one step at a time. So put on your virtual walking shoes, open your heart to the beauty that surrounds you, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Like, share, and subscribe to join us on this captivating exploration of Iran's secrets and delights. Let's dive into the magic together. Today we have come to an extremely cheap and strange market in Iran. A place where you can find every device, every tool, and every food. The market of everything. This market is held only on one day of the week, and thousands of visitors and hundreds of sellers gather in this place to buy or sell. Mashhad, Friday Market. The variety of goods and prices in this Friday market is so high that you need several hours to visit here and a pair of tireless feet. Before you buy anywhere else, we suggest you visit this market. As you can see, now that the new solar year has just started in Iran, most of the items are related to it. Colored chickens, red fish, hafts and tableware, etc. Don't be surprised if you see a child selling batteries or paper towels here, or a woman selling knitted items or even tools. Here everyone sells anything to make money. Perhaps it can be considered similar to the local markets of India and Pakistan. We hope you enjoy visiting this market.
حالا کجایی؟
اشتار اضافه موقع رفتنش موقع
سمه تورما ها رو نه